Okay, make sure it doesn't fall off of there and turn it up all the way. Turn it on all the way. This goes pretty quickly. Oh, we have a little hole in the end of the drip tape, so I'm going to cut that little 1-inch section off so it doesn't spray at me. Just a pinhole is all it takes to make a mess. Turn that on all the way. And one more for this side. This tree behind me here shades this little corner so much, almost all day long. So you can already see shaded clear over to the road there, so it's not going to grow very much that needs the sunshine to fruit. Okay, turn that on all the way. Oh, good. Now, we need a weight. Just to hold that main line from moving. Like that. While we straighten out the tapes to the row. Like that. Like that. I see a pinhole. So if it's not too bad of a pinhole, then you could just turn it downward and have it spray into the ground, or put a piece of wood over the top, or put a rock over the top. If it's very bad, then you take and cut that right there and put a coupler on it and eliminate the leak. Instead of replacing drip tape every year. This is high flow drip tape, and even though it may plug up a little bit as it's being used from hard water deposits and settlement, it's high flow enough that it easily works for 2 years. That looks nice. Oh, that's the one that's not connected, so I'll be right back with the valve. Testing. Okay, I found a valve. That needs to connect right here is perfect. Right next to our new riser. So this riser goes down about 2 feet into the ground, maybe 18 inches. And then that's the regular pressure. I can pressurize the system and actually set a hose bib on this line. And then we've set a pressure reducer that reduces the higher pressure down to 10 pounds. You see it? 10 PSI. Yeah, it's harder to see here. Turn it around a little bit so you can see 10 pounds pressure. Whatever leaves this pressure reducer is only 10 pounds, so it doesn't blow out the drip tape. Okay, so with all of these in line, I'm going to poke that right there. Just make sure I don't come all the way through the other side, so I have really good control of the awl. And then, just like the end of the valve has a barb that pokes into the hole, the same plug, same style on the plug, and can plug the hole if I decide I don't want to have that valve there. Or next year I need to move it over a little bit, I can use one of these plugs in that same hole. it might spray a little bit because the pressure is up. No, I need a better angle. That's 125 PSI poly, so it's a little bit stiffer than some of the lighter weight 80 PSI. Okay, let's go ahead and connect this. I got a little dirt in the end of it. Back the collar off. Slide that all the way up in there. And then turn the collar back up and open the valve, and we're done.